Hello guys, I just stumbled upon this platform, Pepereum. They are giving us 50 million of the token. So we are just going to be reviewing it and see for ourselves. But before we dive into details of this video, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrop. So if you are interested in making money online and claiming free cryptocurrency, you should go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. You'll be the first to watch it and utilize it and make money for yourself. Also, don't forget to like this video, click the share button to share this video to as many who are looking for means to make money online. So by so doing, you are helping lives and you're helping the world become a better place. So if you've done that, let's dive into details of today's video. Okay guys, this platform promised to give 50 million naira upon signing up on their platform. So all you just need to do is to input your name, your email address, your phone number, your password, and your phone number. Then you agree to the terms and conditions. Also there's you can also sign up through your Google, connecting your Google or your MetaMask address or your wallet, but I will advise you sign up with your email. So you just input this information. So upon inputting this information, redirect you to a screen like this saying, before processing, please check your email for your verification link. If you did not receive the email, click the button below to resend. So guys, let me check my email for the link. So guys, this is the email right here. So we just go ahead and you must activate your account to finish your registration. So we click on it, confirm right here. Just once, open. So we are confirming our email address. Okay guys, this is it. You can see right here, PEP token on held, and the total PEP token received. I have 50,500,000 PEP token. So this is my wallet up here. This is a pop-up to install the app, but I don't think I want to do that now. So, and this is my information. So let's just go through and see buy PEP. PEP is selling at 0.00001 USDT for one PEP. That's interesting. This is for the initial coin offering. That's the ICO which is currently running. This is the PEP logo, and this refer a friend. Thank you for interest in PEP token. You can buy PEP. Okay, this is their white paper. You can go through it and see for yourself. And this is the coin, total token release. Oh, this is huge. Okay guys, this is it right here. I think the PEP is already trading. Last 40 purchase. Okay, it's already trading. I don't know. Oh, these are people purchasing all other airdrops. I don't really understand, but it's saying last 40 purchase. Okay, this is it guys. So let's check the referral. Let's see what is there for us. Reload. Okay, see total reward. So this is it. You can basically withdraw. Wow. Okay, go back to dashboard. Invitation, 10% commission reward. Oh, get 10% commission reward. Okay, this is your referral link here. You copy, share by social medias. Okay guys, join our referral contest and win big. Spend the word and reward. Participate in our referral contest and have the chance to win from a whooping prize pool of $200,000. Simply create an account, invest in Pepereum, and start referring your friends. The more referrals you make, the higher your chances of winning. Okay guys, that's the contest right there going on. Full content, terms and conditions, you can click here to read that. Let's just check them on Twitter and see what they have on their Twitter page. Just once. Okay guys, they've been here since December 2022. That's about 6 months ago. And Pepereum embraced diversity, spreading mimics, a project that does not accept any imitation whatsoever. Okay, Missed Pep at X1000. Pep, it's time to make a history. Okay. Pepereum. So guys, this is their Twitter. So we can just basically follow them. You should follow them. Also click the notification, all tweets, so that you'll be notified whenever they post or tweet anything. So guys, I'm not asking you to buy. This is just a review, or I'm sharing this with you so that you can both participate. This is not a video for you to buy. So if anything should come up, I will let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. But for now, that will be all. Thank you.